What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to our new build location. It is really cramped in here, I'm sure you can see, but it is what we have to work with and we're gonna make full use of it. We have electrical backup power, we have okay lighting, not great, but we really cramped. Me and the cars and I. So been trying to work on a workshop solution for the series and the channel, but it has just not come to light, and unfortunately sometimes this happens, so we have to move on, and that is life. And what we're going to do is move on with this puppy. So what we need to do today is we need to get this motor ready for shipment to the engineers that are going to help us. Sean at KWT Engineering in King Williamstown is going to help me have a look at this thing and basically get it working so that we can get this puppy back on track. There's a very cool event coming up that I need to get this car ready for later on in this year, and it's not that far away, so we need to get this thing buttoned up. I've been playing a bit with the front suspension, getting some alignment dialed in. So what do we have to finish on this car? Well, I need to do the brake bias adjuster, we need to tie into that. We need to do the ABS delete, we're going to do that as well. Finish up the motor, get the motor banged in, and then get it to the dyno. I might do a couple of things with the fuel system just to get it running, working, driving. But either way, this episode, I'm going to tear this motor down and get it ready for shipping. Let's go! Bang and tag. Right. Alright, so she is off and it all looks pretty good. Can't really see anything wrong. But then again, there should be nothing wrong here because it is pretty much brand new. The head is looking mighty fine. Oh, water's gonna go everywhere. Put this back on so we don't get water inside the crankcase. I know it's getting rebuilt. Come on. You don't have water all over the floor. Because we still have the sump on. The only reason I'm doing it like this is because we're going to ship the block with the sump. So I'm going to leave a lot of the stuff on, but I want to take the timing chain and that off. It's just more elegant and less risk of stuff getting damaged. Oil pump chain. It's being so difficult. That is the anti-oil pump chain slap device. Yeah. So that we don't lose the keys. Alright, so there we go, we have it. She is pretty much wrapped up, shipped up, ready to go. So the courier is going to come fetch this, and then it's going off to Sean, KWT in Kings Williamstown, close to East London, PE. That's on the east coast of South Africa. So a big thank you to Sean and everybody there for offering to help, and they've got a lot of experience with these cars and these motors, whatever. Anyway, that's going to be a wrap. I thought I'd just get some content going at least. Like I say, we got something coming up for this. It's going to be awesome. We need to get a lot of stuff done before that. Get it on its race rubber. I hope it's zoomed. And then the Clio, there's something coming up for the Clio. Can't wait to actually drive that car again, get it on the track. And then we have another project. Now this project is going to be awesome. It is very relatable to the everyday person, and I can't wait to get started with that, but we need to get finished with this BM first. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys later, and yeah, let's get it done. See ya.